Here are few tips for the mothers of the newborn babies. They should actually nowadays exclusive breastfeeding up to 6 months is promoted. So you have to breastfeed your children up to 6 months, and after that you should continue it till up to 2 years. And also you should keep the baby warm always, and you should give the necessary vaccinations at the appropriate schedule as prescribed as per the latest IAP schedule. You need to give it to the children. If we see in the coming rainy season, the children are more prone for diarrheas and asthma related infections, and also now is the season coming for dengue infections. So I tell parents to take care of their children, to protect their children from mosquito bites by covering their children fully sleeved clothes and use of mosquito nets and also repellents. And also they should maintain the personal hygiene, which is very important. Hand washing helps a lot in preventing these infections. And whenever there is a suspicious of the fever and some breathlessness, and the parents should not delay that, and they should come and take the treatment as early as possible. We are here providing quality services, fully qualified pediatrician, by a fully qualified pediatrician, and wherein all the pediatric ailments are treated with expertise management. And also we are providing a daycare management for all the gastroenteritis diarrhea cases, and we are conducting free counseling sessions for asthma and feeding related nutrition problems in the children, and also their growth and developmental disabilities. For the mothers who have the children suffering from asthma, I will give some tips. The child should be treated as per the pediatrician's advice appropriately, and the number of times, the doses they take, the appropriate. They should maintain a diary for the strict follow-up, so that the pediatrician can know during their next visit what are the things the child suffered and all, so that will help in the management of the child. The precautions generally the parent should take is they should not give. There is a big no for chocolates, ice creams and cool drinks. And the foods, the best foods are like the child should not be given any cold sort of foods, and fruits the mango, banana, these can be given. Avoid citrus foods as far as possible. Avoid the dust of this dusting. Don't allow the dust, chemical dusting outside and all. Pollen should be avoided, and also strong scents, perfumes and thick wool fur toys should be avoided. And it's better to avoid rearing pets in the house of the children suffering from asthma. Our Omega Clinics is situated opposite KS Bakers, Bhaginagar Colony, behind KPHB bus stop, wherein we are providing all pediatric services, expertise management, and free asthma clinic and well baby clinic, and also we are having diagnostic services. All the parents can avail this opportunity at affordable prices.